What up, it's your girl Tiff B First, back with another one of my gym reviews, and today I am in St. Louis, Missouri at Climb So Ill. Now if you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous review when I was at the power plant location in the city of St. Louis. Today I am in St. Charles, Missouri at their steel shop location. This gym pretty much has your standards when it comes to a training space. They have two system boards, the moon board and the tension board, both of which are fixed at a 40-degree angle, so that may be a problem if you like a little bit of variety in your training. They have 3 different hang boards. I will say it was a bit high for me. I don't really like when they're super high off the ground, but I think that may just be me with my injury right now. But they have a Beastmaker 2000, a tension MK2, and something I've never heard of before, but a slag board. They have your standard weight training area as well as a decent cardio space with bikes, treadmills, and row machines. There is a yoga space and fitness classes here that are included in your membership. Now, a day pass will run you $20 plus taxes, but if you're interested in becoming a member, you can get access to both gyms for $78 per month. Now, as far as the climbing, because I know that's what you're here for, I will say both of their gyms, the steel shop and the power plant facility, are pretty much rope focused in my opinion. They're not really big bouldering gyms. Both of their bouldering spaces are pretty small, and honestly I feel like 1 week of climbing I could run through all of my projects. So if you are into lead climbing, rope climbing, and you like to boulder, this is a good gym for you. But if you're like a hardcore boulderer, you're not really gonna get fulfilled in my opinion. The slab section is minuscule, to say the least. There's like 2 walls maybe, and they only have maybe 2 or 3 problems on them per piece. So yeah, and there's no arch. There's not a ton of overhang, but they do have a bit of an orb area. So, you know, just keep that in mind for my boulderers out there. You know, if you're looking to climb, there's not a lot of options in St. Louis. So realistically, this is gonna be your best bet. The route setting is great. Honestly, I'll say they pretty much set true to the grade. It's not really like extremely stiff. I haven't climbed anything much higher than a 2 or 3. As you know, I'm injured, so I'm trying to keep it a little bit cautious on what I play around with. But the 4s feel like a 4 and the 3s feel like 3s. I will say there's a lot of moderates, a lot more moderates than harder grades, and the easy stuff is easy. So honestly, this is a great gym for beginners. As far as I can tell, there's not a ton of interaction with community-based groups trying to diversify the space. It is what it is. It's St. Charles, Missouri. If you know St. Charles, Missouri, it's not very diverse, so you're not going to get a mix of flavors in here. It's something that I think as the popularity in climbing grows, maybe you'll see that change. But realistically, it is what it is. I don't see any affinity group meetings, any spaces for those. There are discounts for seniors and students, but nothing that I've seen that appeals to underrepresented folks in the community. So hopefully that's something that comes soon in the future. But if this is your home gym, as always, make sure you let us know what you love about it in the comments. You know, let people know who might be thinking about joining, who might be visiting like I am, and just give us some beta. In the meantime, between time, as always, you can find me on Instagram at TiffBFirst. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like watching these gym reviews, and see you next time. Peace.